Hi, welcome to the battery shop. I'm Jeff.
This 2018 Subaru Forester has its 12-volt battery right here under the hood, and it's pretty easy to get to. And we're going to be replacing this battery, but not with the original equipment battery, huh, Jeff?
No, the 2.5 liter engine, which we will be looking at here, has an extra step in it versus a 2.0 liter engine, which is very easy to change out.
Right, and that's why we're going to be putting a slightly different group size battery in. So let's get started. We are going to be using a memory saver today as we replace the battery, and this will keep the computer's memories and the entertainment system memories alive during the process. The first step is to loosen the fastener for the negative battery cable, and you'll need a 10mm wrench for that. Then, using the 10mm wrench, loosen this plastic nut. And remove the negative battery cable from the negative battery terminal.
Then remove the positive cable from the positive terminal.
The next step is to loosen the fasteners for the battery hold-down bracket, and you'll need your 10mm wrench again for that. And remove the hold-down bracket.
Then remove the heat shield from the battery.
Now we can remove the old battery from the vehicle.
Then install the new Group 35 battery with raised vent caps. And the heat shield.
Now we can reinstall the battery hold-down bracket.
Now we can tighten up the fasteners.
It's always a good idea to clean up the battery terminals to get the corrosion off. And you can use a little brush like this.
Now we place the positive battery cable onto the positive battery terminal.
But don't pound these terminals on, as this can cause internal battery damage.
And tighten the fastener.
Now we can reinstall the negative battery cable onto the negative battery terminal. And this is the issue. The negative battery cable contacts the vent cap, and that prevents us from pushing it down onto the battery terminal. So what we're going to do is loosen this nut, and you'll need a 13mm wrench for that. Now we can pivot the negative battery cable past the vent cap and fully seat it onto the negative battery terminal and retighten the fasteners. And we're done.